my cases, we're moving toward the fact deposition. One of the important things that we need to do on our side of the case is to do witness prep. There are two different types of fact witnesses. One are what we call in federal court the 30B1s, which are the people that actually saw and observed or experienced the facts that they're going to share with the jury ultimately. They do not have to prepare in any special way other than general witness prep, which I'll get back to. Then there is another type of witness called a 30B6 witness. Sometimes you'll hear it also called a PMK, a person most knowledgeable, and they are to give binding testimony on behalf of the corporation. The reason why we have those witnesses is because when we had just individuals that would talk about what they saw, you might have 10 different witnesses that saw different things, observed different things, and testified different ways on a particular point. And as you can imagine, in a case between corporations, what is the corporation, what is the testimony of the actual corporation in that situation? They used to call that bandying the witnesses. Basically means you're chasing down the truth amongst a bunch of percipient witnesses. So the 30B6 procedure or person most knowledgeable procedure was born, and basically what it means is when you want that kind of deposition, you're going to get binding testimony on behalf of the corporation on certain topics. And so you serve a list of topics on the other side, the things that you could be all facts relating to your contention that we breached the contract, right? Very simple topic. And then it falls on the answering party to select a particular witness to talk about that topic. And the corporation has a duty to educate that witness to make sure that they actually have all of the testimony that the company has to give on that topic. For those kinds of witnesses, witness prep will also involve studying the documents that relate to that particular topic and talking with their compatriots at their company to find out, did you see this? Do you have any facts to bear on this particular question? They roll all that together and they present that as the corporate testimony. So you have these two very different types of witnesses. One, you don't have to actually prepare on the content. It's just what they remember when they sit down in the chair. And the other kind, you actually have to load up with facts. In fact, a person most knowledgeable doesn't actually have to be someone that knew anything to begin with. We call those empty vessels. Those are somebody that maybe they're a great witness and they're going to be very diligent and they're going to study all of the facts and make sure that they can testify adequately on behalf of the corporation on that topic, but they don't actually have personal knowledge on their own on that topic. And so it's really very different responsibilities when it comes to these two different witnesses.